Boom. DJ Dreadbeard.
When me say uno fi say a Gaza me say. When me say uno fi say a Gaza me say.
What?
Masicka, we wait upon the clash with you and Alka.
That pass. Alright, see the king just tell you what. The answer the correct. Sometimes you have to make the king talk, you know.
People wanna say, oh, Beenie Man trick Masicka and kill him. Tell me why Beenie Man put Masicka in the AI video there. Because when Masicka talk about him a king, him also a disrespect Beenie Man. The haters them a focus on one thing, you know. So when Masicka say my king, I just vybzkartel him a go against. But Beenie Man no see it the way there. When Masicka say my king, him also a go against Beenie Man. A only bounty killer alone would have recognize Masicka as a king because of the hate for vybzkartel. But Beenie Man no see it the way there.
DJ Dreadbeard. Subscribe now.
Insight, informative entertainment vlog.
DJ Dreadbeard. Reasoning different, entertaining, just so different.
Hey yo people, what going on? Welcome back to the channel. Before me talk about the main topic, let me just introduce myself quick and fast to the new viewers and the new subscribers. I'm DJ Dreadbeard, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I beg you to like up the video. And if you want to support the channel, drop a super thanks in the comment section. I'm going to shout out Passionate Kid who forward through with a $5 on the last video. Remember, if you want to support the channel, drop a super thanks in the comment section and the link to the PayPal, I go pin it in the comment. And if you're interested to send a super thanks and you don't know how to do it, see the diagram up on the screen. The right side of the download and the share button. The thanks in our heart. So yo, before we talk about the Beenie Man same way, so we see the Super Bowl go on and we see the Jamaican flag there at the stadium and people are create one bag of excitement and I say, yo, the Jamaican flag. You know, so I see the Jamaican flag in a more stranger place. You know, say as a youth, I always watch TV and always notice the Jamaica flag there. Everywhere, long as I see a group of flag, the Jamaica flag always there in the mix. And now when we're in the internet age where we can take screenshot, I have two screenshots to me take. The Jamaican flag, it there. The Jamaica flag, it always there in the Batman and Superman them cartoon. Like outside of the consulate. The Jamaican flag always there. I say, yo, what the Jamaica flag I do in a one superhero cartoon when I have nothing to do with Jamaica? I see it all in a Squid Game. See them up on the screen? You see me? So, Jamaica flag, just look out. Just look out again anyway you see a group of flag in a no movie anyway. Look on Squid Game. Squid Game now have nothing to do with no black people, no Jamaican. No, yo, not one black man there in a Squid Game. A be Asian. And the Jamaica flag. What Jamaica flag I do this so? And you see for the Batman and Superman them, DC cartoon them, from my boy I watch the flag then I cartoon until I can take screenshot. So and not just the one time there. Every time it show you out of the consulate or them a talk to somebody on the screen and them a show you the flag them, Jamaica flag always there so. If a movie, cartoon, anything, the Jamaica flag it always there right there so. You see me? Some don't know if somebody at Jamaican will work there from them a teenager, but from a boy the flag there so you know. Yeah, and I just know. You see me? But we know why the flag there at the Super Bowl. Jamaica music influenced the Spanish market, the Latin, all of them thing the Bad Bunny and them and the Jamaica music influenced it, you see me? But that are just the impact. Remember the word the impact. Biggest achievement you can have. You see me? It make you be legend and live on. It are the reason why Bob Marley a king. Not no Grammy, not no more, but you have to go check the reason they out over my second channel. So yo, second thing we are going to talk about before we talk about the Beenie Man. So vybzkartel have vibes to some Manicka and Shade Room repost it. And you see Manicka in the comment section and say, okay Vybz, Manicka, bumbleclad, I'm saying it all day. Much love and respect. Woof woof. Yeah man, I'm ready to go to Jamaica. Yo, vybzkartel is still respected all over the world. Don't get it twisted when you're up on YouTube and you see some crab in a barrel or you see vloggers and you see me, we just play our part in our little YouTube community. You see me? Some man up on here a scam people, some man up on here hate vybzkartel. Everybody do them own thing. Everybody I make money. It's a little small fraction. And I'm mostly Jamaican and the diaspora upon YouTube. I 8 pound Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel is still respected all around the world. You see me? You hear she repeat what Vybz Kartel say, woof, woof, bumbo clad, she come to Jamaica. Vybz Kartel is who he think he is. You see me? So make a transition. Cause yo, some things are going on the YouTube now, but I not take up that on my channel. I learn now, say, more when I talk about some things we are going in the community. 90% of the comment section, them don't know about that. So I not introduce you to certain things. But so Beenie Man and Bounty Killer, the two giants from the 90s, them very active on social media. Like the two giants, them are going off a Vybz Kartel one way or the other. Bounty and Beenie, the giants of the 90s. You notice how them two man I love AI. Remember at the first me ever see some 90s man I embrace something from the future. Remember say them man are quick for shut down anything when new, you know. Them shut down trap when Vybz Kartel and Steve and them they just forward in with the rhythm them shut down everything. But them seem to enjoy this AI thing. You see me? Bounty and Beenie seems to enjoy this AI thing. So Beenie Man him have two AI out right now. One with one game when him a beat up everybody, him a beat up Bounty, him a beat up Masicka, him a beat up Movado. But the one that is very clever because I'm album him a promote. You see me? So that's a good look on Beenie Man's side. If I use the AI, the viral AI, people interact with it. But when I take a stop, I'm really him album him a promote. You see me? So I think the album name Immortal. And I use the Mortal Kombat concept. So smart, that's smart. And then him have one second one where he might get the crown, like Vybz Kartel a crown him. Vybz Kartel walk past Masicka and go crown Beenie Man. You see how the man this Masicka. Yo, when I look pan it one way, you know. When I look pan it say, yo, Gaza Nation have a problem with Masicka because him a size up and him not have no accolade, him not have no impact, but him want to be king. Beenie Man not play with Masicka neither. But why we not see no Beenie Man fans up on the internet have a problem with Masicka and same as the king? Them only have a problem with Vybz Kartel. And why you not see no Alliance man say, yo, Masicka, where you go with this king thing? Like the Alliance fans them agree say Masicka a king, so I just Beenie Man out here as a true farmer king. Bounty Killer never the want be king. Bounty Killer was never a king. And now in him old days, I see like him a run down this king thing to, you know, Bounty Killer, you know, when people say, oh, a Bounty Killer the real king. Beenie Man take it up and say, oh, I'm me the king over these years. So that's why Beenie Man would have a problem with Masicka say my king. So that's why Beenie Man put Masicka in the AI video. And no found no notice say Masicka that the AI video make Vybz Kartel walk past, you know. And him a look like, bro. And Masicka that I look like, bro, I'm not even qualified. You see me? Him just in the crowd, yo. Beenie Man easy, you know, bro. But a whole heap of people that fly over on a skull, bro. So Beenie Man have a problem with Masicka as same a king too. But it look like I just Beenie Man alone, cause Beenie Man fans not have a problem. Every time somebody diss Masicka, them say a Gaza fans, me never hear no say, yo, it's a Beenie Man fans or it's a Bounty Killer fans or no other artists in a dancehall were worthy to be the king. Always Gaza wanna say have a problem with Masicka. So I'm to Beenie Man fans. You see me? So Beenie Man would have make you know straight say, yo, me not see no Masicka as no king, you know, bro. Or no next king or nothing, you know, Masicka. No nobody, you know, that Beenie Man I tell you. I remember say the same Beenie Man, when them they ask him about Alkaline, Beenie Man jump up and say, yo, that pass. Masicka turn on and say, yeah man, the king has spoken. Right now, Beenie Man no one see you in a Masicka. Beenie Man no one see you Masicka. Beenie Man trick him and kill him. Yo, so in other words, I'm gonna put this in the thumbnail. When I say Beenie Man put Masicka in the AI, when you hear Beenie Man always I say one king. Him now only go against Vybz Kartel, him go against Masicka too. Him see Masicka as somebody where me hear the internet and me hear some people on YouTube say my king. You no king too, so him put him in the video where him get crowned. So him this Masicka and him this Vybz Kartel in the AI video, but everybody I look past the Masicka or it fly over on the head or the AI and make it look like Masicka enough or what. I don't know why, but Me no hear nobody has say him this masicka. I wanna know my style. Me I go run out and say this and then it a go make sense afterwards. You see me? But yo, me tell you why me can't take nobody serious on the internet. None of you. It's always Gaza versus the world in a car. Watch ya. When the argument is about Vybz Kartel and Beenie Man who are king, the man them will defend Beenie Man. Oh, me not hear no have a problem when Masicka say my king. Same thing with the man them will say Sean Paul a king. Or when Masicka say my king, we not see the man them will defend Sean Paul and say, yo, Masicka which king? Move from here, so. It's like at the same people where I say Sean Paul a king, and them I say a Masicka a king. And the same people where I say Beenie Man a still king, and them same man I say a Masicka a king. So it's always Gaza stands alone, and it's always Gaza against the world. Don't make them trick you know. I see them set of people them a run round in a circle from fan base to fan base. I know nobody different. I just the one haters them. You see me? I see them haters them man, group up man. Telling us they have to expose every time. Every psychology they have to break down. Every little Google bad fish brain psychology wanna have. I mean the dancehall psychologist. You see me? And yo, the video with Beenie Man wear the Vybz Kartel shirt.
This is Beenie Man representing Bashment Forever. Let me repeat myself. This is Beenie Man representing Bashment Forever. Soul Exchange, Canada.
I ask you a question. You never see nobody in a Beenie Man shirt yet? Better question than that. Do you even have a Beenie Man shirt? Do people even print Beenie Man pan shirt and hope it go sell? Again, this is how you call impact. I'm going to go over my second channel when me I say, yo, Bob Marley is the king of reggae and nobody can move him. And because of impact alone why him are the king of reggae, you know? Everything what him do, him never live long enough to get no accolades. So see the thumbnail there for over my new channel. May I ask, what make you a king? A Grammy or your impact? Go over my new channel name. This is RealTalk. And may I go answer your question. What make you a king? Impact or Grammy? You see me? But people are right or something anything know. You see me? If you're new to this channel, please subscribe. May I beg you to like up the video. And if you want to support the channel, drop a super thanks in the comment section. And the red arrow I point to the video from over my new channel. Or may I ask, what make you a king? Grammy or your impact? Bob Marley is the king of reggae and him don't have a Grammy. But we him have impact in Impact Africa. And that's why I'm the legend and the king today. Go over my new channel, continue the reasoning. I'm DJ Dreadbeard, signing out.
DJ Dreadbeard. Subscribe now.